Interesting.
do.
And when you have a well, we can look at it later, but maybe it's just something I don't understand about like computer, like Photoshop and that kind of graphics. I forget what you call those. But you know what I mean. It's something. Maybe just see something. I've just been assuming that it's all multiply, so multiply always basically makes everything a little darker. And you can see that in the Figma file. Everything is a little darker than it would be on its own, because it's multiplied together. So I always assumed, well, how do you multiply? Like, as soon as you put a black texture in there, then the multiply basically is just always black. Like, you're never gonna lighten it up. But maybe I'm wrong about that. Maybe there's a way that people do it by just like, if it's black, you only give it a portion, like it doesn't have 100% influence or something. You weight it or something like that.
Well, now that I have it on white, like you might only be seeing like the gray values, like. As if I have it in the Figma file. If you go and it's like one white background.
Let's see here. Chris, if you want to join us, the code is above Jeff's most recent picture.
Yeah, are you guys in a game right now?
Okay. I just opened up a room, but I haven't started it. All right, so I'm looking at your thing, Jeff. Where am I looking?
Below or next to the compute button.
Oh yes. Okay. Interesting. Yeah, that is interesting. How that's just a import of your of the thing you put in Discord.
Yeah.
Interesting how that treats it. I'll need to look into this more. It must be I just don't understand. There must be some standard that I'm not understanding or familiar with. Okay, cool. All right, thanks.
Yep.
I'll look at that later. All right. Let's get started. So you should see some stuff that is new, and if anything breaks, standard rules apply.
Right on.
Here we go.
Oh.
I still gotta make that transition. Yeah, so now you don't get a character sometimes, so you have to be a little bit more careful.
Oh, I do have to be a little more picky with my shit here. I don't want that.
You can still
Perfect.
replace the stickers right now, but I haven't.
Oh, I like this so much better with the balance of everything. I think this is really good.
Yeah, we'll
My choice felt very meaningful there.
I need another panel. I need a fourth panel for this joke.
Yeah, I have that feeling maybe 1 in every 8 comics.
Yeah.
Oh, I could say I'm done now. Can't I?
Yes, it says start. I am done. Although house rule seems like house rule is to announce. I am done. Although I constantly forget to announce.
I too am done.
I'm almost done. Okay.
That's a nice touch.
Oh, God.
Time's up.
That's pretty good.
Huh.
So brave. Good.
Yep, that was the two that I was stuck between.
You also notice the order is now random. Presentation order is random.
Oh, right on.
Okay, we can check.
Okay. Ooh, this is a tough one, kinda. I did not get, okay, actually this one's pretty versatile. Oh man, I'm actually gonna run out of time here. Shoot. If I don't submit, what happens? It just takes what I have, or I submit nothing.
Takes what you have.
He does kind of look like Pete Hegseth. Oh, that looks so good. The bonk.
I like that.
Okay, I get it. I got it.
I think I gotta go with just the physical comedy of the bonk there. It looked so
Oh, also, I guess we can't make the. So in that last one, I wanted like the douchey guy to be like yelling over the other guy's word bubble, but they sort of just like meld together.
So there's times when I want that, and there's times when I don't want that. Like there's times when
Yeah.
I want the bubble to be like two bubbles of the same guy, and yeah, there's other times where I want it to be overlapping. It's a hard problem.
You can make the guy go over the bubble, but the you have to you have to do it. You might have to do the bubble twice because the bubble has two layers to it. It has the text and the bubble itself. They're on different layers, and I have never fixed that bug.
Oh, I need another character so bad.
Blame it.
Okay, actually, I can make this work in kind of a weird way that I kind of love. All right, let's see.
Everyone good?
Yep.
I'm done.
I'm not sure if this is gonna read at all.
I'm also.
I was basically done. I'm just making it look
Oh
nice.
my.
To the wire. We're down to the wire.
Yeah, sorry. I was kind of done like 40 seconds ago, but make the I'm still not sure it'll be readable, but we'll see.
You guys pick the same. We all get the same set to choose from.
No, it's different. It's
I
random.
think it is random, but we need more setups. We need to It's gotta be the gunsniffer, right? I think gunsniffer wins this
yeah,
round.
gunsniffer.
Whipped it.
One more round and we'll call it. It's our usual length.
Alright, I'm done. If you quiplash in this, should the one person that got the quiplash guy's vote not get his point? To give you a further lead. I guess points don't matter, right? We're just trying to make
Points
people
don't
happy.
matter in this
So
game. It's just about It's just about
But would it feel good, really good for the one guy like that? It takes a little bit away from the quiplash because like it doesn't look like you got the whole pile. You know what I mean? Emotionally.
Yeah, but you like a quiplash, you get that right away. You have to wait if that happens at the beginning of your thing. Like you don't even if there are 6 people there, you get the first one, then I get and then I'm the last one, and we pick the same prompt. Will people even remember what they were side by side? I think it just like it's probably best in my opinion just to like let it be, unless we're going to like programmatically recognize 2 people that were the same and always put them back to back when you show them, or put them up at the same time or something.
I mean, all you need to recognize is when somebody got all the points except for their own vote. To do this, I'm talking about during the.
Would anyone even know why they got the one? Why they got the one? You know what I mean? Like why that one vote didn't count?
Yeah.
I just like that drawing.
What the fuck's going on there? Good use of the 2 panels.
Like all of these are all really good. I don't know what to pick.
Yeah, I'm
These are all really
genuinely stumped on. Alright, the one that made me laugh the most. I don't know.
Throw it out there. It took me a long time to duplicate all those monies.
You deserve something.
And yet I get nothing.
That's okay, Jeff.
You got all those monies.
There you go.
I'll find a way to carry it.
I literally have nothing over here, Jeff. Look at my
I was gonna vote you.
and-
Yeah, I was on the fence between yours and Dave's that time, and I went with my gut.
Yeah. Coming along. No bugs. That was nice. Nice
Yeah.
to see that.
Yeah, it was a good experience all around.
I'm really impressed with how the comics are looking like comics now. Like, just like almost any one of them, I would be proud to show off.
Those characters are great. I think because all the poses matter. I like them a lot. The new ones. I think we need to cut down on the old. Like I was going through the rich guy from Jeff's last comic.
Yeah, there are a lot
And
of
he
ones
has-
that are pretty similar. Just kind of
Yeah.
whooshed a little.
Yeah, Dave is working on giving them unique poses. I don't think they
Yeah,
need as many unique poses as the
Doing 4 uniques front and back, which are already done. 6 overall.
So 6 total. That was literally exactly what I was gonna suggest.
I
Yeah.
think that works. I like that. I think we should go through and.
I mean, honestly,
update them all.
almost nearly all of them, except for I think the wrestler has a couple that I think should stay, but nearly all of them you could
Well, I
probably
would just
get rid of
redo that. If you like the pose, I'll redo it.
Yeah.
I am gonna redo, everything.
I mean, use your best judgment. I do think I would keep the flexing wrestler, and I also like the one where he's like looking at something in his hand. But other than that, I think most of them.
Try to capture the spirit. Some of them might be going to the spirit. So.
Oh, that time we actually did an extra round. I didn't even notice.
I'm working on
Pasting all
top.
the.
Can we all try and go into the offline mode and everybody make 5 setups before we end this meeting?
Look, I did my work for the week. You people make the setups. You're the ones that are funny, clearly from the score.
Oh, I'm getting that
Make
bug
the
again
setups.
with the where I don't have control of the hand in the offline mode if I've been in another mode.
Yeah, you just have to refresh.
Yeah.
I don't have an easy way to reproduce that. I actually.
Yeah,
That might be a
I
lot.
got it too that time.
I think it is actually only the non-hosts get it, so I do have to. If I do that, I should be able to. I should be able to replicate it. I'll look into it.
I think it might be if you're in another mode or something, but alright. I'm gonna try
I
and
think you
make.
have to start the competitive or a networked mode, or join a networked mode as a client, not as the host, and then try offline and it breaks. All right. Fix bug where hand doesn't work, where cursor doesn't work.
In offline specific. I've never seen it happen in any other mode.
And offline after network.
What's a good like Dr. Seuss-esque line introducing like a Whoville type place?
I don't know.
Something that
It
rhymes.
sounds like yeah. That sounds
All
like something that
the-
needs like a little bit.
Is a Sneed a thing? A Sneed a thing in a real Dr. Seuss book?
Sneed is a
Sneed is a thing. Yeah.
Okay.
That's the things that the Onceler makes. And...
Jeez. I probably need to make the setups like tell you when they're done, or like give you a loading bar or something to show you how long. Cause
Honestly,
like,
the number one thing that I think right now is needed is like just a thing that says Dave's done, Jeff's done, yada yada yada, so and so is done to put pressure on.
Yeah. I want to get the pencil in, and I think that'll make a lot of sense of just having like a little pencil mark where the person finishes as the pencil gets smaller.
like a height mark.
Yeah, kind of. Yeah.
Where's the smile? There it is.
Trying to cheer someone up.
Also, I realized there's a bug. So I don't really think about it, but we do now that I know the bug exists. But I think we did get a lot of cops in our in like all of our previous games. Turns out if you ever had a text bubble, it would insert as a cop to the sticker drawer.
Oh, really?
Because cop is the first index, and all stickers have index of 0. Sorry, all text bubbles have index of 0. So if the setup had a text bubble in it, you'd just get a free cop under the hood.
Alright, one setup. Happy Valley. Save setup. Restart. They say Lady Luck loves a gambler.
Oh, Chris, your characters don't have backs, dude.
They do not have backs. Though, could use that rotate tool to make them pretty fast. But no, they are always facing forward. But in my experience,
Is the helicopter in with the car?
I think all the
I
vehicles
think
are
it's all
together.
vehicles, yeah. Alright, I made one setup. Hope you're all happy.
What's it called?
Detective Morris.
Zach.
Sorry, I know they ask this like every time, but where's the crowd with again? Crowd is with
Like courtroom, I think,
courtroom.
and
Yeah, the courtroom.
Yeah.
Probably shouldn't.
There we go. That works good. Detective Morris. Detective Morris. I don't see Detective Morris. These are alphabetical, right?
You'll have to refresh if you.
Okay,
I don't pull it
that'll-
every time you
okay.
open. Yeah, I only pull it once.
And the pro wrestling ring ropes, I don't think I've used those yet. Those are with sports. Sports ball.
Yeah.
Yes. Alright. That's 3.
What happened to the blender? I just had it.
Blender is with
House stuff.
window, mirror, house stuff. So couch, fragile box. Honestly, too, now that we have like how did everybody feel about the 3 stickers actually?
I thought they were good. I thought that was a good amount.
Okay, I also thought that. One time I felt like
It
I
can
didn't
be
have enough.
tough if you don't have any characters, but
Yes,
it
that
does.
I ran into that, but
constrain
yeah, I thought I made my favorite comic that I made tonight, which was the guy in the desert being like, "Nah, no way, bro," as the camera zooms out and it's just that for 3 panels. Like that was because I had no characters, and it was fun to work around that in that scenario.
Yeah. I think the constraints can help. I think the rounds are long enough. I think it's probably.
But if we do like a special round for last round, like the way we used to have it could just be its own special round type, right? Like you just pick a bunch of stickers just for 1 round, or like, yeah, changing the panel number or different numbers of panels. We have a rocket ship. We have a UFO that works.
The 4th panel. 4th panel could be a good.
Is UFO still with cow? No, that's chicken. UFO with vehicle? I'm guessing. Yes.
Better version of this would have a thing where you could fucking type, and we keyworded these fucking things because I can't remember where. Oh, there it is. I was like, I can't remember where the outhouse is.
How hard would that be to do? Not a high priority, just curious.
It wouldn't be that hard. Like, it would take probably 4 or 5 hours work altogether. At very least, I need to sort them by their type, so all characters are in the same spot. That's not hard at all.
What's wrong with these burger buns? They taste perfectly delicious, but due to a production mishap, their bottoms are slightly curved instead of flat.
Alright, that's 4. And use someone who really looks like they belong holding the guitar. Rock guy.
Yeah, I've had a hard time using the guitar.
I think that's 5.
Do you have anything that looks like a rope? Could stand in for a rope.
No, I don't think so.
Oh, we had the letters with hammer. About buried treasure of some kind.
There's a map and a shovel.
Are the map and the shovel also in here?
The shovel is in the tools.
Yeah, I have the shovel. Where's the map?
Yeah, it's probably on something with paper, books maybe. Is
Oh,
there a book?
pencil? Is it with pencil and checklist?
I would check. Oh, it's with the calendar. Calendar.
Calendar. What row is that in? I'm having trouble finding that.
Oh, it is row 3, column 2. It's also books.
Okay, yes.
We have like 70 something setups now. Wait, no. 20. Yeah.
70 sounds about right. It's still though you see.
I think you need hundreds. Yeah.
Yeah, you see way more than you would. You know, you're seeing 4 around, and then you're picking one, and then you're also seeing the one that everybody else picks. So you're kind of seeing 7 around.
Yeah.
So they do need a lot. Oh, actually, you know what I'm thinking now, though, too, is like, when Dave does replace those poses, some of these are going to need to be redone. A lot of them, probably, actually.
Probably. But I'll create a thing to update so you can load and then replace. And you'll have the reference picture to go on. That is a picture, not like a. It's not something I dynamically make. I literally have taken a picture of it.
All right, let's see. All right, that's 5.
All right. I've done maybe 5, but I'm pretty sure I'm not gonna top skeleton toupee. So
I still don't see skeleton toupee.
you'll have to
I refresh.
or go.
Let me try it one more time.
Make sure I have it here. See. Maybe it's not. There's a.
Oh, I see it.
Yeah.
I do like that one. A little horrifying.
It's just
long
that
as
for some
somebody sees
reason,
it.
some with S's are down the bottom, which makes me think that I'm not. Like maybe capitalization matters.
Mine goes in alphabetical order until it gets to S. And then some, after that, there's just some extras that are not in alphabetical order.
I think I can't tell if those extras on the bottom have a space in front of them or if they are just lowercase and that's why. Because
Yeah,
I may
think
not accidentally.
it's lowercase.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, that's why. Okay.
Lexicographically, that is how it would be. That's how do it. I can fix that. I'll that notes. I can also add a button that. I also actually I need to make it so that you can't. I need to like add a confirmation when you to delete a thing because it's so easy to when you're clicking back in. I just got awfully close to accidentally deleting something because you can't see
Yeah.
where your mouse is when you're clicking back in.
Yeah, that would be good. All right, that's 5.
I should also back up the sticker sets one more time. Is everyone done? Dave, are you done? Are you drawing instead? Is that what you're doing? That's probably a more valuable use of your time, actually, because we need those.
That's fine. 15 extra setups. That's cool.
Yeah. Alright, let me get a snapshot of that.
It's having a hard time loading Dave's stream. I want to see his drawings. I
Yeah,
can see a
well,
preview of them.
No, yeah. Not loading for me either. Weird.
Dave, refresh your stream. We want to see your pictures. He might have walked away. Oh.
Let me grab backup of that. Now I'll just grab it locally. We have 73 right now.
If you mainline Final Fantasy Tactics, Marcus, how long does it take to beat, would you say?
Oh, it's been too long. If you mainline it, there's not a lot of like, not a ton of side stuff you're doing, honestly.
Well, Jeff had
Most
mentioned
of
there's some amount of grinding to it.
it depends on what you do. If you do the tactician mode, I think you absolutely will need to do some extra battles to just get your level up, because people will kill you in one hit basically if you're not careful. If you do, but you can actually get by just fine that way. You just have to be real careful. If you do the normal way, normal mode, sounds like Jeff has been having an easier time with that, right?
Yeah.
So you may not have to grind at all, really, at that point.
Yeah, it doesn't seem like it. I'm the only reason I'm grinding.
I
is
do
to
want it to be hard, but I don't want to have to grind, is the
job
thing.
earlier.
If,
I guess
if you
I'll
do
probably
grinding,
just
it'd be harder.
play the hard mode and try to play perfect. Although I'll probably end up spending just as much time, but I'd rather spend that time, you know,
I think
banging
you
my
should
head
just play
against
the
one.
regular mode and just don't grind at all. Like Jeff is grinding because he wants to get to jobs quicker, but if you aren't like scamming it, because it's a common thing, it's a very like abusable system.
Exploitable system.
Yeah, exactly. Exploitable. That's the way to word it. Because you can just like find an enemy that can heal themselves, and then because every hit basically gives you experience and job points. So you just find an enemy that can heal themselves, and then hit them over and over again. Or you just hit your
Or you could
teammates
hit your
and heal them.
friends.
Yeah. But that's only a choice. If you want to do that, you can. You don't have to.
Yeah, I mean, I want it to be hard though. Is it gonna be easy on normal? Is it going to be
I don't think it'll be easy. Like, Marcus and I have played it like I don't know how many times.
Yeah, we also know exactly what to do and what classes there are, and like what the dangers are and stuff like that. I think you'll be fine in regular. Timeline, I'm gonna estimate like 20 hours.
No, that's not bad. I was picturing 60.
It's not like it depends on what you're doing, but it's not, if you're not grinding, I bet you could totally beat the game in like 20.
Yeah, I think if you're just blowing through the story, then.
And there are optional like you can just say give me a random battle, or like wander around an overworld map until you get in a random battle, or how do you even grind other than that?
Just go to a map and go into a battle. Like you can go to a spot on, like it's broken up in like little nodes on the map. You can just go to that node on the map and.
So there's always one spot you go to progress the story, and if you go anywhere else, you're basically grinding. Is that more or less how it works?
Yeah.
Okay, people are citing 35 hours for it, but they also are saying if you use the fast forward feature to fast forward through some combats, you'll get there, because it has that now. You'll get done faster. I could have sworn though, honestly, that I mainlined it once in like 20 hours.
I mean, if you have fast forward, I bet you if you take out animations, it's probably like half the game or something.
The animations are pretty snappy, even
Are
with that, but unless you're like a summoner or anything like that. Even then, though, they don't take that long. They just do a cool camera spin sometimes. I've gone monk, Jeff. I've gone hard into monk. Yeah.
I forgot how good chakra was.
I need that. They also they're tankier, and they have a better scaling rate on their health, if I remember right. And I need more HP on my main guy.
Yeah. trying to find a way to make Summoner work.
Yeah, you've been mentioning that. They scale well with something. I don't remember what, but they're not like bad to do. Maybe it's either I'm gonna guess they scale well with their magic pool because they require so much mana.
Yeah.
If I remember right, they require a lot of mana. I believe that they.
Yeah, their spells are like 24 for the big ones.
I'm gonna put the setups back up in Discord just so that we have.
Alrighty.
Alright, yeah, I'm gonna lay down. I've been on computer literally all.
Right on.
Alright, I will. For next week, I'll do. That bug's honestly is just not my. Oh, the pencil timer. That'd be a great one. It's polished
Yeah,
and it's needed. Yeah. Pencil timer with marks for submission. Okay.
Oh, that's neat. It's gonna put like along as it gets shorter. When you submit, it'll put like Dave submitted here, so you can even
Yeah,
see
like
the
a mark at the
distance
tip.
between how long. Like if
Yeah.
somebody submitted in like 2 seconds, and everybody else is at the end. It's not just an order. It's like look how much sooner this guy. I like that a lot.
Yeah. It just felt natural with the pencil.
Yes.
It feels like it'll work well with it.
That's the having like I feel like the secret to it's sort of like that thing with the shadows that you put in for tactics is like a big part of having interesting UI is having it almost be diegetic. You know what I mean? Like it's almost a thing. It's mimicking a real thing.
Oh, that was so. Just small touches like that are like, man, yeah, that's really cool.
Or like like a physical space like that. Yeah.
Yeah. That's neat. Very neat. Alright. I will catch you guys next week.
Yep.
Later.